Labadiena! Yesterday my frustration level reached like the very peak, so I didn't want you to see me like that, neither I wanted to comment anything, so sorry for ending the video without any explanation. Let's quickly talk what really happened yesterday. First part of the day was quite okay. There was some hiccups but nothing major, until we grabbed the frame and we got jammed in the staircase. I trimmed like 30 centimeters, about a foot of the part which should have gone under the bed, but we still couldn't get it up, so I ended up trimming it like 2 more times, and after 2, maybe 3 hours of complete frustration, somehow we got the frame up the stairs into the apartment. But it wasn't enough. We couldn't stand the frame up, so I ended up trimming that portion completely. I secured the frame to the bed from the inside frame of the bed, so it works quite okay. But that was not all. The second saga began when we tried to secure the frame to the ceiling. Those lag bolts I brought were a bit too short. They were grabbing slightly into the concrete, but that wasn't enough. So I pulled those out, I enlarged the holes, and we went with chemical anchor. The problem was that I couldn't drill deep enough into the concrete because I was hitting the rebar in both of the holes. Well, anyway, we mixed the compound and we glued the all threads into those holes, and then we had to wait, so we started cleaning up. And then my eyes locked onto the backrest. I noticed that squiggly dent in the very middle of the panel, and I instantly knew I will have to come back tomorrow. And that means today I'm heading back to the capital to fix the problem and finish the project. But before leaving the workshop, the client asked me to make a cover for the pipe above the kitchen cabinets. So let's make that cover and then we can go. As you can see, I'm back at the apartment. I already secured the nuts up there and the frame seems to be strong enough. I mean, I can't move it, so it should hold. Now when the thing's gonna get a bit sketchy, because I will try to put the shelf up there alone, because I have no other choice. I don't have any reinforcement today, so fingers crossed. Let's put the cover up there, and the only thing will be left to fix the dents. So far so good. Okay, let's fix this ugliness. Now I just removed a layer of oil so the wood could absorb the water better, and now I will spray some H2O over the area and let it soak in. Then I will come with a clothing iron and basically steam and boil that water inside those pores, and this makes the wood fibers spring back. It seems that it sprung back. All is left to do is sand it even. And yes, that was my sock, but it's a clean sock from the Lonely Sock bag. I'm pretty sure everybody has such a bag, or at least the issue of socks annihilating each other. Well, anyway, let's continue on this one. Believe it or not, but it's a wrap. This project is officially finished. Let's take a quick overlook. There's a continuous grain wrap in 3 visible sides of the shelf unit. I made it from the widest boards I could get my hands on. The bench cabinet is also a continuous grain panel, so the side and top transition seamlessly. The front is made from book-matched oak veneer. The back panel is also book matched, well, at least these two. Yeah, there's a lid, a lock, and there's quite some storage underneath. I can't really believe that it's done. And this day is radically different from yesterday. Everything went like butter. Anyway, sincerely thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye!